uh, you know, gift talent.
Yeah.
Well, most people think it comes from God, right?
Yeah.
Is it really coming from God?
I don't think so.
Where do you think it comes from? Talent.
Your own self.
Well, the skill you practice, right?
Yeah.
You practice the skill.
Yeah.
But what about talent? What, like you? Why some people like the 4-year-old they play piano like, and some people like 16 and still.
I don't understand.
That's talent, right?
Yeah, that's talent.
And that's what people say is coming from God, right?
Yeah.
However, 3 years ago, when I was, just looking for videos on YouTube, I accidentally stumbled on the video that explained the strange thing that some people, after they experience near death, and then they just suddenly get a talent that they never had before. So a mathematician who never even play any kind of musical instrument before, experience coma, and then waking up, just directly feel wants to play piano, and then in about a week, play quite well. Okay, hey, is it interesting? As me, it cannot possibly something that you have to have from birth. There must be a way to change it, to implant it, to make it suddenly there. So what I do is, now I have the ability to see this bioenergy using my optical nerve, not my eyes. The eyes is looking at the light, but the optical nerve, so if you consider the light enters the retina and then it changes into bioenergy first, right? And that's accepted by the brain. So I can see from remote distance this energy. So I scanned those people in the video, and I found that talent is actually like templates. Templates is like you have apps in the smartphone. So, for example, you use computer quite a lot, right? What if I tell you to draw a building, but you only have Microsoft Paint? How long will it take you to draw that building?
I don't think I can.
They'll be like, oh shit, that's bad, right?
Yeah.
What if you have 3D studio? That's a different story,
Yeah,
right? Maybe you have to learn it, but it's going to be fast,
Yeah.
just like that. So people who have talents, it's like they have the application installed. So in other words, I can install it to them. So I've done it, I have tried it, I have sell the services. Okay. So people who are unable to hit the correct notes when they sing, I install the talent singing. Singing talent. So they're just able to hit the notes directly. But so far, I have not been able to create it from scratch. I have to find someone's talent and copy paste.
I see.
So the way I view it, the human is only a collection of computer units. The brain is the command center of the computer hive. Do you know the hive?
No.
The bees. You have bees, you have the hive,
you
have the queen. So I see human, the brain is just like the queen. The entire body is like the worker bee. Okay? But it's more advanced than like a system. So if you upgrade the queen, you upgrade the entire colony. So I can copy and paste it itself. Just like when you download something from Google Play. So can you sing? No. How about you trying to? But do you like listening to music?
Yeah.
Okay. Which song? Okay. Just one sentence of the song that you really like a lot. Just one sentence. So maybe about 3 seconds or something like that. Sing.
I wonder
as well as you can.
As far as I can.
Yeah.
Wait. Can I sing any song?
Anything.
Just the river.
Okay.
And if you like the way you look at my show, baby, you
Okay. You're not singing. You are reciting words. That's not singing. Seriously, not singing. Can you try actually singing? Try again. Exactly the same thing. No, seriously.
And if you like the way you look at my
See, do you notice that you like speak one phrase and then speak another phrase and then speak another phrase?
Yeah.
It's not really like singing.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, let's copy Justin Bieber talent, singing talent. Well, I don't really think he's really that talented, but
Yeah.
we can just copy it.
No one thinks it.
Okay. Try it. Samsung.
And if you like the way you look at my show, baby, you can.
What do you think?
It was different from the first song.
It's you have the melody now, right? Okay, try again, and then I will uninstall so you can really tell the difference. Try again, the same thing.
And if you think the way. Wait, I forgot the lyrics.
Yeah.
And if you think you look at my show, baby, you can change what your side.
Okay, now I will uninstall it. Okay, repeat the same.
And if you think the way you look
Yeah.
at
Do you notice the difference?
yeah.
You lose the. Yeah, so that's talent. I installed the application, so you have problems. It's very easy, right? It's not just singing, it's also for drawing, writing, creative writing, analytic. Yeah, there's a lot of different talents. You just copy and install. The limit, the number of your installation will be to the your brain development. Yeah, how far your brain is developed. Basically, we say what's your IQ. If your IQ is the average of 110, 120, you can have extra 3 talent installed to you. If your IQ is 150 or more, you can have like 6 talent installed to you. Okay, yeah. So that's like some other examples of what we can enhance. So we can enhance human by enhancing the software. So that's Bioenergy. And I would say I have so far researched not even 5% of what we can do with with this Bioenergy. And so there's a whole lot more
Yeah.
to study.
Yeah, I mean, it's human we're talking about, so it's.
Yeah, so still get confused or
not,
any questions?
not that much. Like, I don't know how you do it.
Okay, that's also another thing that people like to ask. Okay, but how does it work? How do you do it? Yeah? I see. I usually explain it the simple ways like this. Have you ever sent SMS?
Yeah.
Have you ever watched video? You never ask how exactly you can send SMS to you.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now you consider which is more advanced, the human body or the smartphone.
Human body.
Okay. if you don't even ask how,
Yeah.
yeah, something one person is able to do more than that, right? So you ask how, yeah, we can transfer energy. Yeah, as well another thing is that if that's true, how can we don't have any measurement?
Yeah.
How can we cannot measure it? Well, that's not entirely true. Actually, the most modern nuclear microscope is able to detect human energy. However, we do not have specially designed equipment to detect how the human body sends energy. And why? Of course, because the medical science is hardware based. They don't study the software. Why would they build such thing if they don't study it? And how can I don't build one? I want to. I just don't have the money.
Yeah.
It's not like you can build that with 10 million rupiah.
Yeah.
That will be like what, 2-3 million years down?
Yeah.
Maybe? Yeah. So yeah, if talking about measurement, so don't worry, it will come, but it will take time and take money to do it. I'm actually in the process of slowly building the very basic one, just to detect the level of bioenergy in the body.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the very basic one. So you're thinking, now if you have problem, you have to go to this huge CT scan or MRI, right?
Yeah.
And you have to go like that.
Yeah.
And then the future, to detect problems in your body, using that bioenergy scan, and you were like, and the thing is, the software is more, is usually more reactive to the compared to the hardware. So if you just begin to have problem, no symptoms absolutely, then the energy can show it. Yeah, because when you started to get upset, right? There's nothing wrong with your body yet.
Yeah.
3 more days later, you start to have problem, but your energy is already changed.
Oh, okay.
You can tell when somebody is upset, right?
Yeah.
So someone who is very good at hiding emotions looks okay, but you scan, okay,
Yeah.
you're upset, that's it. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what bioenergy. So I call my company Bioenergy Solution Center. Okay, so that's the explanation.